All right, so the plan is that tomorrow morning we're going to be leaving for Panama. But the only catch is that we need to test negative for COVID. And we picked up COVID a couple weeks ago. So we're feeling better. I tested negative this morning, but we still need Angel to test negative before we can go. You think you're going to test negative?
I don't know, I hope. We've been cleaning our noses out to get all of the remnants of COVID out. So, fingers crossed. I mean, if we don't do this, I guess we're just going to make a plan B. But let's hope this works.
Here we go. Okay, we're live.
And we are both negative.
Negativo!
Negativo. Panama, here we come. That this is the first time in history that we have not had to wait for our checked luggage. Look at this. It's already pulled off of the trail machine for us. This is awesome.
Pretty fantastic.
Good morning. Good morning. Today is our first day in Panama, and today we're going to dedicate it to exploring the city. So we have a lot of really good restaurant recommendations from our Panamanian friend and some really good brewery recommendations. Let's go see what Panama has to offer. Ready, Greg? Are you ready? So your first, well, how do you pronounce it? It's geisha?
Geisha.
Geisha, okay.
That's very unique.
Is it worth $1,000 a bag?
I don't know yet. I can drink a cup. It's that it's different.
Okay, let me try it. I'm gonna try it.
It's very different. Savor it in your mouth for like 5 seconds. Swish it around.
That's so different. It almost doesn't even taste like coffee. It kind of tasted like milk coffee. Did you taste milk? Maybe because it's so sweet. I think that's what it is. I don't know what I think of it.
What he said is that each sip gets better.
Ah. It is currently 1:45 in the morning, and we just woke up to go on a hike. We're going to CERRO del Picacho de Ola, which is supposed to be this epic hike in Panama. So our transportation is picking us up at 2:30, which is in like 45 minutes. It's going to be a 3-hour drive and then a hike. So let's go.
So I was terrified.
Craig doesn't like heights.
I hate heights. I think my biggest fear in the world is falling. And this hike, I would say on the way up, there were points where the path was like 2 feet wide with a, what was it, 500-foot drop on the other side.
Yeah, when we were crawling, like literally using our hands.
We were scaling rock walls.
Yeah.
Yeah. But hey,
did it.
the things you do for love.
I have to say, I'm so proud of him because he really does not like heights at all. And there were multiple times in the hike where he was extremely uncomfortable, let alone the fact that we got to the top and there were just bugs everywhere.
And I hate bugs.
Are you happy? At the end of the day, are you happy that you faced your fear of heights?
Oh yeah, I mean it's like when we went skydiving on our honeymoon. I mean it's the same type of thing. You know, you have to face your fears.
I'm always here to make him feel uncomfortable. That's my job.
Yeah, that's what she does. She makes me uncomfortable all the time.
Hielo y duros de fruta. Ah, ice and like hard fruit.
Yeah.
rice with pineapple.
Ooh.
Rice. Oh, that's cool.
They make it like a juice and then.
That is so good.
It is really good.
It's like frozen rice flakes.